snapper, Kino. Red snapper. Red snapper.
Red snapper. Oh, boy, you have to tell me how you do it, you know. Yeah, because like how we have meal, they have to give me the secret. You know, they have to give me the secret.
Yeah, man, look old man and his wife. I do 60 a year.
Come in at this.
I pay onion darling in call his wife.
Yeah.
So people I say, why? You're married for 60 a year, you still call your wife onion darling. And why secret? I mean, I said, boy, I forgot my wife's name long time.
See there?
Wow, chef.
Wow, chef.
Wow, chef. I salute you.
You. Right there. Whoa, chef. See there? You say you want the ice and drip. See there? Whoa.
Let me say.
You say?
Tractor now you train.
What? There's a big one here. Big truck. Cut small as well too. You like what, 4 feet?
Yeah.
I'm 5'1".
5'1". And I drive a big tractor trailer. Jesus, I'm crap. Oh, you see now you see like small though.
I heist it up a little bit, so
No,
I finished.
I look a bit, that's how we'll leave. You see it there? It look like you. Whoa.
Mr. Jackson.
Rasta
Jackson.
See it there? Rasta Jackson. That look like straight Rasta Jackson.
I hate that.
I said, by the time I put on the minutes and call my mother and take up the phone.
Yeah.
By the time if he explain this, my mother me want the minutes done.
Yeah, so wow, chef. You this and Rasta Jackson for the rest.
Alright.
See there?
You're going to Lady Teresa this one.
Yeah, Mother Teresa.
Mother Teresa.
See the Mother Teresa.
You know me well, you when me look in your eye. If me want forget the loving, then I feel ask you twice. Hear about this, them a free, so make a cock it like a knife. If me want forget the loving, then I feel ask you twice. Check me on, no?
What's that good green and gold? So right now I'm testing.
Hear the story, see what dreams are made of. Welcome to Kino's life in Jamaica. Make sure y'all subscribe. Make sure you catch every video, because if you miss one, you miss everything. Subscribe to Kino Life in Jamaica. Also look up for your girl Miss Quanie. I have some music coming out soon, so yes.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop the gun, lose me feel. Then I want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
Well, you can see the fire set up, the fire is ready, the fire is blazing. So you know, Kev Lifestyle, don't forget to subscribe to Kev Lifestyle Yard and Abroad. You know, you should subscribe, you and you and you and you and you who's watching, you should subscribe to Kev Lifestyle we need to get into 1,000 subscribers, you know, so we all need to support each other because, you know, Kev Lifestyle is our extended family. So the whole of we have family, so they know, say, I'm not going to subscribe to Kev Lifestyle. Okay, you know, so where I'm going with today, a peer that him always going with it. You know, a big chef see him and I'm full of vibes. You know, I think him come at your son and visit us. You know, and it's an honor to be here to visit him, see him and his wife, you know, and family and friends. So dream team, one team, you know, they have spread the love from yard and abroad. You know, that is how it goes. So yeah, man, we have some people rolling in, you know, so we give thanks for the gathering. Thanks so much for Kevin and his wife, you know, for having this gathering for me. You know, I thank them so much. It's a welcome package, welcome gift. So we thank them so much. You know, goodness that we're doing. Dream team, dream team family them. You know, big up on yourself in a yard. I go and make sure so everything is alright. Yeah, you know it goes already. Today I see them here. I do the same work. You know, I spread the same love. No change. All it is love. Love, love, and love alone. Dream team, one team.
Oh, yeah, put more curry chicken.
Can you even say which part of curry you like?
Oh, yeah, after you want, like, yeah. Yeah, man.
Yeah, preparation.
So, I want Kino. Yush. Oh. Yes, what's a Kino? Yadam.
Yam.
Yadam.
And I come from?
Yeah, see it. We go national this time, isn't it?
See there.
We go national this time, so.
Kev Lifestyle, yeah, and brother and wife there deal with it. The goat head.
I try to clean it up and everything.
Goat feed them, mutton soup and everything. Smell the curry from outside.
Tell you.
You know, cry. Yeah. See the wormy are the big boy, this is not wormy. Wormy, this is the big boy. Joe. Big mighty Joe. Yeah. This is the whoa chef, so I go on. This is the big Joe. Big Joe. This whole chef wants it on the corner drop. Right from the headquarters themselves. Whoa! Chicken they are prepared. Raw FC they are prepared. Raw FC. Raw FC they are prepared. Fire. Ready.
Take him out, put him in the container. But then I turned around, everybody was backing. Oh man, that one they were decorated fish, but decoration them the fish this time.
Yeah.
You see snapper them over this and them in around for
Yeah man, them are ready to go up on the grill right now, yes.
Right to them, it's get real warm and melt or somebody. The thorough in Kino. Temperature come up. And then we just deal with it.
So much you have put it to?
Yeah. But see come like it, John. You say 500 you say? My grill segment.
Fish and thing.
Yeah man, you have a grill thing. That's what you see.
Roast fish.
You're smelling Kino.
That's a roast fish here.
Stuff fish. Stuff, yeah.
Well, stuff.
Yeah. Smell delicious. Yeah.
That don't smell good, bro.
Yeah.
Wrap it up nice and tight.
Oh yeah.
All the juices in there.
Oh yeah. See the Kino.
Jeez.
Red snapper. Red snapper.
Red snapper. You smell that though?
That's the magic.
Kick
You know
it.
what I mean?
Kick it.
That make everything up.
See the snapper?
What you got up there? Oh yeah.
That's what's up, man. That's what's up.
Yeah, that's 30 right there. That's called good eats.
Yeah.
At all times.
Yes, that's
Like
all.
Kino, where you say hot plate.
Eh?
Watch out,
just you can't cook no more than this. 400 degrees just with the pan in a broil motion. You want you want to sit down in it somewhere?
Yeah.
So you warm it up so and sit down in it somewhere.
Yeah. Dominate some more.
No, my grandma used to show me how to eat. She showed me how to eat fish. You take the fork, you slide
Yeah, burn out the whole of the coal and you take the whole of the heat.
Yeah. Yeah, man, I am this too.
Oh, the yam this. Roast and ready.
Why you over there crying?
Right? I've been now leave the fire, you know.
Listen
from the fire light.
You never hear me cry.
From the fire light, this man not leave the fire.
Every day you're going to see tears of my eye, but you never hear me cry.
I see tears in the eye, but without going to see you cry.
Yeah.
But I roast you, go on the
Roast, I'm ready.
I'm going to get something for you. Robbie did the yam, so I can't do that.
Roast yam. You seen roast yam before? No, roast yam. There, right around here.
I never see that.
It's a food.
That's a food?
Yeah, that's yam.
Word.
Roast it.
I was wondering why you put that drawing out.
That's roast, and that is nice with butter as well too. You can eat it just as it is. Okay, you know normally you boil it.
Okay.
But this one is roast.
You type of food that you eat.
No, when you can taste it, I remember that you like it. Yeah, trust me.
That's gonna be fire. Okay.
Trust me. Jamaican style. Yeah. Yours,
Okay.
If you roast is a saltfish now.
Yeah.
Roast a saltfish steam and just put it a piece of butter and
Yeah, you can eat it all the same
eat it
fish.
with that.
Yeah, the same fish or chicken, or at least a jerk chicken.
Right.
Let's put that inside.
I don't know.
Yeah, man, let's try that with the jerk chicken. Yeah, you see, chicken.
Self-serve, you know. Yeah, man, I'm serve when it's sorry. Why your man drink your Kino, you see this?
Yeah.
You can't drink as much sorry as you want.
Yeah.
You see? You can't stop it.
I've got to send some for mommy.
You can't stop it.
Mommy, see that mommy.
Yeah, man, we here.
You know I hear my mother drink sorry. Yeah.
Yeah, man. How are you, sir, man? Yeah, man.
See that mommy, just had the sorry.
Yeah, man, nice and rich too.
Nice and rich by Kev lifestyle. Me don't know what them are pre about.
Yeah, man, grab that. Come on, grab that thing and throw it someone.
So they know I hear my mother drink sorry.
Not alcohol, bro.
Drink sorry. You're not Jersey, right?
Okay.
What are we drink sorry? Get one cup for my mother.
One for you, one for mommy.
Yeah. So I'm going to drink for mommy and drink for me. So mommy, I drink for you and drink for me. Because they know I hear my mother drink sorry. See that sorry I drink by Kev lifestyle. Yeah, and abroad.
Yeah, man. Kev drink too much sorry.
Yeah.
You don't know, so they make the sorry that don't.
I just see the mommy, I drink sorry for me.
You know, it's for so, yeah, man.
Yes, mommy, I drink sorry for me.
Woo!
Whoa.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
It's for the good for the body, good for the soul,
Good
bro.
for everything, bro. Good for the nerves. Blood pressure, more ferment
yeah.
and things there. Yeah?
Oh yeah. Yes, mommy. So you are drinking sorry for me, yeah.
Yeesh! See it there?
Finally, drinking more sorry than more sorry.
Man can't stop drinking sorry.
Can't stop drinking sorry.
Because we no business.
Alright.
How do they start quarrel?
No quarrel.
I'm sorry. 100% sorry.
That is it.
See it?
Sorry. So
See
far,
the
we come and
bad
drink sorry. Sorry, but sorry.
So they call quick cook. I pick up that one at Kino. That is the yesterday one. So cool. So in a number 2 grade. Luckily for me do that because see the more fish need to pick up on the grade.
Jerk.
Yeah, man.
Jerk chicken.
You want to put on this thing now. I'm making one a vibe, you know?
Yeah.
All the people in Jamaica just politics ain't right.
Yeah, true.
Yeah, man.
Anna,
For real, man.
give thanks and appreciate.
Yeah, man.
Man.
Yeah, man. We deal with passion for them something Rasta, for real, man.
Yeah, but sweet. Tell sweet something, cause
Eh?
let me tell you this. You tell her on camera.
Oh, Mama
Right.
Sweet.
Yes, yeah, Mama. Tell her something on
And
camera.
my mother on the boss don't do one
Listen.
time, but so much like I'm telling nobody them something
Right.
there.
Yeah.
Listen.
Yeah, man.
I say, when we done at Jamaica, everybody has subscribed to the channel and he sit down for the chair and he say, hear me? Kevin, come here.
Oh, sweet.
Yeah, he say, see my phone. Hold on, me want to subscribe. And you see while me a video, just like how you have video Kino. You see him GoPro, me hit a button and speed it up. I can't slow it down, I do everything and I try to slow it down, so we never get to upload it. Because I say, what you say, what you have to say to
And
Otto.
she not too like understand, you know. She not too like understand the phone neither.
I say, sweet, what you say?
Saying.
What you want to say for Otto? And he say, my son, I love you, my son. I love you, my son. You see me, I say, I'm never engage to upload it. So me I tell Sweet, say, no, Sweet, see it there. And that did happen. But me, and I see
I'm a father, my mother, and Rasta. I'm not grown up father. I'm a mother, my father, my grandmother, my grandfather, my auntie, uncle, everything. Yeah, man, for real, man. For real, man.
Big up Tete too. My mother big up Tete to see you.
Yeah, big up yourself.
Tete say I try to come, but me I don't know and I see like she gonna make it, she not come and nothing but Uto come, me not see Tete so. When you see Uto come and Tete
Marlon pass through.
Marlon not come through, he not come through. Yeah. He just call me man, he say I come through. Now we not come through.
Yeah man, me give them Tete to man. Yeah man, give them Tete to man. What you talk say man? For real man.
That's your name, Uto.
Otto, yeah man. Big baller, you know.
Yeah.
Yes man, play for National League and Jamaica left me play for Star. Yes man, me play for Volvo, Chelsea. Sometimes we play for Brazil one time, almost a friendly game. Yeah man. Yeah man.
Not good man.
Yeah man.
That's what not good team name I call.
Yeah man, Chelsea.
Yeah, Narcos team.
In the center, we don't go team at center have a team for England like Chelsea.
Okay.
Benfica.
Okay.
And yeah man, we just own the part of center of them team. Yeah man, real man.
Yeah man,
We come 2-time fourth in the Premier League.
Okay.
Yeah man.
Big baller man.
Yes man.
Big up yourself,
yeah,
man.
Yeah, man, for real, man. Last time I come a boy son come play ball now. Your boy DD, Donovan Dona.
Yeah.
Last time we come play boys town here. We have man in one love, you know.
Yeah.
I mean the man in lock the gate per way. Just not my boys town, you know. And the man in tell the referee say, look here, he give a bluff, you know. The referee, the man in say he take a draw. The man in say he take a draw. The referee just blow a corner. And the man is using hand and licking the ball. The referee just boom! And blow off whistle. And blow off the game. Yeah man, lock the gate, Rasta.
Yeah man, the Rasta and the man here, lock the gate.
But I love it still. I love it still because I say go back 90 Rasta, you know when a team wants a point, it's very important.
Yeah.
You understand?
Them time it's more rough and grimy.
Oh yeah, so man. Them time is nice, Rasta.
Because them when it's lock the gate, the referee can't come out, you know.
You see our time now, Kino. You see police and soldier. Every police and soldier at least can run track and field, can play cricket, can play football. That's why you have so much crime and violence back in the days.
No for sport, no for them as sports get them in work.
Yeah man, not our time man. Me used to do track and field, me used to play cricket, me used to play football. You understand me? And the police them used to come in the community and come join our club. You understand me? So when they come in the community, the man have to tell the police,
over here.
Boy, I Kino that this man police them in our club, so them know everybody in the community. So they need to bring back that to Jamaica and tell the police, look here, we can play soccer, cricket, and get involved with the club them in the neighborhood.
Well on brother.
You understand?
Much criminal in the police force, brother.
I agree, but
then if you get them out.
No, but nowadays we have criminal enough, but it wasn't like that. It was like no.
No for them going there with illegal papers, bro.
She's a bona fide girl.
Natisha.
She's a bona fide girl general. She's an article girl.
Natisha, yeah.
When I say article, I mean article. She clean. She clean. But one thing, the more you protect our daughter, Rasta.
Yeah, man.
I'm big there, yeah. Because I told you, them do good.
Yeah.
Them do very good, but it's a girl pitting Rasta.
One more.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Can't hold them.
Can't hold them, Kino. That's what makes them gone.
Yes, man.
So people, if you don't want it, you can't get it, Tony. Don't worry yourself, brother. Kino, tell them how it's sorry to yourself.
Say that barber shop. Say that barber shop.
Yo, tell them how it's sorry.
Tell them how it's sorry to yourself. That's it. Tell them how it tastes.
Tell them how it tastes. Solid, man. Trust.
Buy one, get one.
Buy one, get one. Yeah, buy one, get one.
Buy one, get one.
That's right.
So see, this is the first sale already.
That's right. Notice, say. And them must say buy
It's
what
different, man.
I mean, they say it.
Yeah, no. You got it right.
Yeah.
You got it right.
Yeah, man, you got it right.
Kino,
You got it right.
Kino, you get it right. Because if you buy one, I want to
What I get?
Okay, so you got it right. But now, like, it tastes good. Yeah, man. Buy one and buy another one. It tastes good though.
You gotta have to have it.
Yeah. Imagine you put a little
Taste it, you gotta have it.
imagine you put this. Right, sure.
Too good.
Yeah, man.
Too good. Make it strong like
That's the
whey.
original drink we drink.
Every time I drink this, I make another baby.
Ah.
Me and my
So you're
wife
gonna call it the
make-
baby
every time
drink.
I make this, me and my wife have another baby.
Yeah, hear that? Kev, you have to stop making it now because him say every time you make it, him and his wife make another
Every time I
baby.
drink, we make another baby. You know I'm not
But
lying.
it knows.
Make the baby, my brother,
Yes, you
because
have to do it.
make the baby, man. Make the baby, my brother. Because so what's going on with them? I try to look up baby them at school. I make a book with the LGBT color and all that something at school. Look up baby.
Hold up on the youth.
Yeah, man. Hold on. Yeah, man. Make the baby them, man. Because me don't know, man. I try to kill up the nation.
You know me, I hear the
Keep making them.
government has the parents.
I know I never got up there.
Okay, yeah.
Back-to-back state champions. Champions of champions. See, I catch them, man. See them say, peace. Where's your one? You got your t-shirt on?
I go to college. I went to that different, but I graduated 2 years ago.
Okay. Alright. Bombing ball. Esther come prepared, you know. I'll bring her. Oh.
So my Esther alone come out.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just screech you up. Eh?
Esther!
Yeah, no, yeah, but I Jamaica shall come from. You want from the team?
Esther,
The prayer warrior.
come on, let's go and get a seat here. If you want a seat over there. So. I get that chair on this. Some more chair down this.
Where are them there?
Esther, yes.
Oh, in my park.
No, in Park, man.
Yeah, man.
Did you get a spoon and just take it out of spoon? Get a spoon.
So,
Harlem himself.
General.
Ah,
The place.
Harlem. Brother.
King. How you doing, man? Alright. Let's
Kev just walked in the house, I say.
Fire pit.
Yeah, that's so I go on.
Alright.
Harlem in the building. Respect for rolling
Me,
show.
man. I want
You
him,
know
brother,
the thing,
man.
though.
Long drive, but we're fine to see him.
Yeah, boy, early this morning I reach here, boy. When I leave there, I light it. See you there, boy. Goat.
Goat.
Yeah.
Take a cup right, man.
Yeah, man, keep it forward. Down at the house there.
Don't want to have cup right now ready.
Tester.
Oh, are you?
Chicken and
Yeah.
chicken.
Yeah, man. I keep it forward. See my forward there. See the member of him face from the video when they come at Trench Town, Harlem.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, they're on a road show, you know.
Yeah, part of the extended family.
Yeah, man. My brother.
Kev? Okay.
Yeah, man. The man I watch everything, man, I miss out nothing, man.
A real thing, man.
No,
Come
mister.
through when I want to take Kino,
Yeah, man, I'm gonna tell you the cold
I'm going to
kicking.
circle from long time, but to the
Yeah.
work thing.
Blessed. Move. What happened?
You sleep out the whole of the day, right?
No, man, that way for you.
You know for me?
Yeah.
Alright, me come.
After you come, I wake up. Now once you reach me, I have to wake up.
No, go so.
Yes, man.
Yes, you're tired, man.
So how's everything?
Good, man.
Uncle. But yeah, I need not catch your name.
oh,
Romy.
Oh, you didn't get that name there?
Oh. Romy, man, I'm seeing on the video, man. Storyteller. So I'm gonna get some story from you then, Romy. So this is Kev father-in-law.
Right.
And Kev Mother-in-law.
Yes, sir.
We're going strong then.
You guess right.
Yes, right. We're going strong. How much years now we're going?
Oh, you want me to tell you that?
Yeah, cause more be
38.
like you know, more of them relationship there is very long. 38 years.
How old are you, eh?
30. Wow. Boy, you forgot to tell me how you do it, you know. Yeah, cause like how we are meal, they forgot give me the secret.
Yeah.
You know, they forgot give me the secret.
Yeah, but the old man and his wife, I do 60 a year.
Come in at this.
I pay onion darling in calling wife.
Yeah.
So people I say, why? You're married for 60 a year, you still a call a wife onion darling. And why secret? I mean, I said, why I forgot my wife name long time. I'm friend. I forgot.
That's so long.
So we just call the onion darling, my boss and
So long. So are the remedy that are apartheid?
I remember that one.
So you have to give the remedy for the ladies, them, you know.
Me, sir.
Yeah.
Trouble.
What the
You have to
remedy?
endure the trouble.
Oh, okay. Oh, so you get a lot of trouble then.
Yeah, man, the man say, boy.
So that means you get a lot of trouble then.
Hey, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah?
You know so they're not gonna bastard over here. The joke when I make with the stammer man. The people they want it again. Get Kino, get them on. I beg you.
Boy, the amount to me that say.
Yeah,
oh, the sound must and
original man.
Yeah.
Get them.
Oh, man. It's like
You can't use a joke on me there, no man. No joke.
This is my stomach virgin talking about the radio station. Bad! I said, wait. I want him to stammer. Somebody said, you want what this? I give me a fight.
Yeah.
You want to see the boy what this? I give me a fight.
Yeah.
So I said, what it means the man want to give a fight? It's like say me look at a job and the man then walk give me a
yeah.
So I said, what kind of job you look? It's like say me I look at a radio announcer job. And the man never give me a fight. So I said, but that don't work.
No, work.
Come on, Mrs. Stammer, someone say. Someone say, me I look at money for minutes for my phone.
Yeah.
So I said, right, who are this Stammer?
Yeah.
Oh, look at that, Mrs. Stammer, bad. I said, what, Mrs. Stammer? I said, by the time me put on the minutes and call my mother and take up the phone.
Yeah.
By the time if explain this, my mother me want the minutes is done.
Nah, come on.
Long one.
Minutes done. Hey, this is rolling self. Hey, wifey, I saw it last for so long. Cause with all this humor, you must laugh. You know, when you're down tight, them start talk.
You see it?
Oh Lord. So I just catch the remedy. So I'm going to start get a storybook. You know, I'm not the one that work. I'm China man. We have one about the China man, black man, and Japanese man. So now we have one about the street.
Two brother we go hunting.
Yeah.
And then book up on a big black bear and the big black bear I run them down, you know. So one that back the pan. Man, it don't make no sense to run. We can't run the beer. Yeah, my man that front. I'm not trying to outrun the beer, I'm trying to outrun you. One day we got to church and see a big fat woman out the door cry, you know. I said, what am to you? He said, boy, in our church and the pastor preach say the way to heaven is straight and narrow.
Yeah.
I'm in the face that we are going to make it for it.
It's too brash. Now I feel it to the straight and it's too narrow. So you that ladies not to get to the gym. You know, because the only way to the heaven is straight and the narrow. Yes, sir. Yeah. Well, this is Romy, you know, Kev's father-in-law. I know you have Kev's mother-in-law right here. I know this is Kev's wife here. So this is where everything's coming from. So that's how the remedy run off and she, you know, cause Kev. How much years you ago now you and your wifey?
About 28 years now.
28. So they're about 10. They're about 10 behind.
Alright.
10 behind. So once up it. But them the 38. I got 39.
Yeah.
So they're about a decade behind.
Yeah. Like a position.
Yeah. Catching up. You getting there.
We're climbing the ladder.
Yeah. Boy, that more I'm never gonna try. We get the remedy, you know.
But tell more
laughter.
Tell more.
More laughter. I see me keep full of it, you know. Eh?
Let's split this.
Yeah?
And the spring yak tonight. We can't take it off.
Alright.
I eat that. We can't take you. Oh no, look. See the look.
That's true.
Can't take you out.
Yeah.
Can't take you out.
Yeah, cause I'm going in the middle. You should go in the middle. Yeah, I'm saying. Yeah.
Can't take you out. Alright, come.
Alright.
See it there? Alright.
So you have to catch it from the end.
You have to edge it.
And the end. Don't chop the pan.
Edge it. Still not work, but this will come out.
Yeah, cause they're closer.
Yeah.
Work. See that? You see that? We have a jar for them thing here to catch up the central eating fire.
Outside.
The outside central eating.
Why?
See there?
Problem again.
Stuck again. Look now.
I come with it.
You know, the end. You go straight into the middle.
Now don't forget it out take your. But we can't go anywhere else. No, sir.
This time it's stuck.
Kino, you now go come out. I want the weight.
Yeah. Eh? There you go. Look now, man. Look now, Esther. You don't miss it, man. You see? Work.
See it there?
Work. Oh, Kino make it work. It's a dream team. We always make it work.
Alright. Kino did it.
Swing up the team. But we never done it before, you know.
I eat that.
Alright.
Yeah, I said before we bust this, we are gonna freeze. Left it in there happy. Cause we use that way. We say left it in there. Nah, gonna work. People.
We left it alone.
Alright. Well, alright. Now, we don't want to put the hamstring.
We left it alone.
We don't want to put the hamstring. We don't want to put no kind of string.
Yeah, we left it alone.
I'm going to England, you know.
And I was born there.
Okay, go back in Jamaica, warm in blood.
I tell you, get used to the sun.
Go get used to it.
Get used to the tropical. Well,
Yesterday was something else.
I'm glad you say it.
From wind. From
The wind.
The wind.
Yeah.
Yesterday went cow.
Yeah, man. That's all.
See, I like it there, see. See, I like it.
Oh,
I know some brother look out and do and that you clouding up in the sky where sky blue and the sun come out pretty. My boy, for a bicycle ride we shot with him. My boy put on his shorts and put on a t-shirt and fly out. When me come back in. Mr. My boy out there freeze.
Things that Jamaica to him say blue sky.
Yeah, blue sky and sunlight.
Yeah.
1 million.
Out there freeze.
Like how we have blue sky now and we have the sun.
The sun kind of get warm and it go out there now. And you ride go down like chapel and my boy the temperature just do some whoom and turn over. You must have called from the right shop for car close come give.
Yeah, this weather is bipolar, you know. Was it cold yesterday or freezing?
Yesterday it was freezing.
Freezing. You here now, Con?
The day before was cold. The day before was nice.
Okay, so Con, no, you never bought me yesterday when I said you was cold.
It was cold.
You know?
That's why Kino that forgot to back up.
No, it was freezing.
It was frozen.
Yeah. Today is cold. Today is
Today
cold.
is nice, but it transformed into reality
Yeah.
now. Yeah.
I said everybody have to run come to Jamaica, you know, where the tropical is. So this is the pepper shrimp.
Yeah.
Lana, something up. Drop on my feet and the pan in them, you know.
No, man.
Believe them, look at them here.
Pollen.
They're not for my son. They're not for my son.
Soup.
Yes, oh yeah, so man.
Soup.
Yellow yam.
Soup.
What
The roast yam.
You like it, you know? I just never even like Kino when you come in the no, I'm moving here, move up on.
No, Kevin, you don't make me ever know how much pepper.
Aquino.
No man, let's do it, man.
Lana know some in the pepper, so Lana know which pepper me I give it. You might cook one different one for me, so.
Okay, let's make it mild and nice. We don't want the pepper spoil the fun.
No.
Not quite a pepper shrimp in here.
Yeah. But not pepper make you feel bad.
Lana no. No.
Make your lip all like burn you. You know the one day your lip burn you.
One day.
When I eat for cry.
You know one day, yeah.
That's it.
See there? Kev lifestyle yard and abroad people. See they continue to show the love. Yeah, Kev, thank them so much who already subscribed to you. Yeah man, just tell them say you see the love, you feel the love already. You know? Hold on, make him swallow that first. I don't want him bite him tongue on camera.
Right.
And then I'm gonna talk to you now and tell them.
Yes, people, big up on the cell. For real. See the love. 100% I love.
Yes.
You see it?
Yes.
That's what I give me people. So I'm gracious.
Yeah man.
See?
Him give thanks. Him thank you so much because I know him see the followers and see each and every one who follow him.
Give me something and put that on next
style, yard and abroad.
Give me some next part and put on your part.
What's your red, green and gold? Red, green and gold. So right now I'm testing.
Stand out.
Fire.
And we have the international dancehall artist Quanie in the building. You know, it's Kev Lifestyle daughter. Listen, we have many talents in the family, you know, and this is one of them.
Many of us, everybody have different things going on. But Kino, thanks for having me on your show. Thank you, everything. I have something for you though.
Oh,
you know?
I'm ready. Cause right now I'm ready to get thriller.
Hear the story, see what dreams are made of. Welcome to Kino's life in Jamaica. Make sure y'all subscribe. Make sure you catch every video because if you miss one, you miss everything. Subscribe to Kino Life in Jamaica. Also look up for your girl Miss Quanie. I have some music coming out soon, so yes. New Jersey, yes. But I'm repping Philly, so you know.
Alright,
215 to the 856. Alright.
So tell them your IG, you know, give them your IG.
Yes, y'all can follow me on MZSQUANNY, Miss Quanie. I am on IG. You can check out the music on Spotify. Dropped the album. Definitely charted with it. So you might want to hear some new stuff coming up. We just dropped a new song with Pink Lane, Sean Paul people them. So we're doing big things. Make sure y'all follow Miss Quanie everywhere.
Everywhere.
Link up.
So let's give them the spelling of the Quanie, you know, so.
MZS Quanie, QUANNY.
Alright, so we won't miss that at all. If you don't see it and hear it, right? So that is it. So we're gonna support her, see her in our journey. Hey, Kev, full of talent in the family, you know. So big up yourself, Kev Lifestyle, yard and abroad. Alright, Quanie. So yeah, give them something different. That's all you leave them with Quanie. Sure. Yeah, man, I know them want something. Don't want something else, tell the truth. Yes, them say yes, them want something else.
We have so much right now, but you know what? I actually want y'all to hear the new song, the newest song, "Last Forever," because I feel like some people can kind of relate to that song. So just check it out. Y'all might be able to be familiar with me from Badness, you know. Some familiarity with Time, maybe. Yeah. Time Is Now.
Of course.
I got some stuff out there that I know y'all heard already.
Of course.
And I want y'all to check me out.
Of course, check out Quanie.
That's all.
Hey, you said Badness, cause she have that reggae dancehall thing, CMA / international dash. You know, check her out. You know, so you get a record dancehall style we have.
I'm gonna talk my badness.
Yeah.
Me know me well you when me look in your eye. If me want forget the love in me now, I feel ask you twice. Here a badness them a pre so me go cock it like a 9. If me want forget the love in me now, I feel ask you twice. Check me out now.
Sure. Check her out now, man. Yeah, okay. We need 5 lyrics from you, you know. Cause if the daughter have it, the father must have it. Well, you have talent in the family as well too. You have runner. Yeah, want him to come try and broke you say more record.
Boy, that's nice.
You know him go face off with stars. Yeah. You say trouble there. Trouble there with Pen William. They say Esther. Trouble there. So tell them from now, hey, look out for me now. Yeah, him go in at the 100. Him kind of not too tall.
100 and 200.
Yeah. Him not too tall, him not too short. Yeah, but trust me. Him fast after all.
Yes, man.
That smoke you follow me so.
You see it?
Don't leave out cousin Natalie.
Sing her too?
No. She was ready. Girl can drive a tractor trailer.
Okay. So
that's big.
That's big.
Yeah.
Tractor trailer.
I don't know how to say the tractor.
And Kev, not even me, they even know if you push it much less.
I don't know how to say the tractor trailer.
Yeah.
I don't need the tractor nor the trailer.
What? There's a big one here, big tractor. Because small as well too. You like what, 4 feet?
Yeah.
I'm 5'1".
5'1". And I drive a big tractor trailer. Jesus, I'm crying. Oh, you see now, see like small though.
I heist it up a little bit, so I fit it.
I look a bit, that's how we leave. That's how we look a bit, that's how we leave.
So tape measures that they have in the doctor's office is not tell you the truth. You know, I'm a little bit shorter than it actually.
Yeah, you know, you're not telling man.
He's a hater. Some people always got hate, like that. Like we ain't know we have to climb up on the countertop to get to the top of the fridge.
Look, I see that she reach my waist. You know, she reach my waist. Talk the truth. Esther, she not short.
Of course it's short.
She well short. Well short. Look, see this?
Sharp. No, but wait, we kind of close. Oh, no, I'm good.
No, oh God, that not close. Alright, stand up beside Kev right there.
Yeah.
Stand up beside Kev.
Yeah,
I
man.
said no.
Look, look on that. And she be shorter than Kev wife. Yeah.
You should have heard it.
No, yeah, you see? You be shorter than her. Oh gosh. You see me tell you.
Oh, it tell us somebody. It tell us somebody.
Yeah, finally Con is taller than somebody, boy. Yeah. So I go on over here to another part now. More shrimp are drop. More shrimp dropping. Where Romy gone? Romy, I run from the cold, you know, you see me tell you. Romy get too spray and I run out of the cold.
Same go on now.
Romy gone and leave white here.
Yeah, we're more can. So we have one more back, right? Okay.
Shrimp, pepper shrimp. We're ready to share, ready to eat. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
You remember this one, you know?
Testing.
Oh, really?
Yeah, wait for my pepper chicken.
You
Pepper
guys tried
chicken
the
again?
for the first time like 2 months ago?
No.
Never did that.
Didn't
It was disgusting.
Yes, family.
I've never had it all my life.
Yeah, present the trophy. She tall as somebody.
Oh, see that, come. Get the trophy.
She tall as somebody.
You're tired. You get the finally you're tired on someone.
Trophy.
Oh Lord, congratulations. Give her a round of applause, man. Give her a round of applause, man. She's taller than someone. Lord
Tall
God.
as somebody.
You know how long she been waiting for that?
Yeah, I tell you.
You know how long.
Now this is going on far.
Yeah.
Appreciate it.
Finally she's taller than somebody, cause boy she lost. I realize her body run your tall and she's the only short one to feel like dwarf. See there? Lift
Wow,
it up.
chef.
Wow, chef.
Wow, chef. I salute you.
You. Whoa,
Yeah, man.
hold on there.
Wow, chef. See me?
Whoa, chef. Alright then. Whoa, chef. See there? You say you want the ice and drip. See there? Whoa.
Make me a say.
They say pure dripping now.
Be a winter.
So we have the wow, chef. Whoa,
Whoa.
that. Alright,
Whoa.
see the wow. So you want something look like you. See it there? It look like you. Whoa.
Mr. Jackson.
Rasta Jackson. See it there? Rasta Jackson. That look like straight Rasta Jackson.
I hate that.
From Kev Lifestyle. So
Top
see there?
broke your wrist, no?
Yeah, so wow, chef.
Broke your wrist.
You this and Rasta Jackson for the risk. See there?
You're going to give Lady Teresa this one.
Yeah, Mother Teresa.
Mother Teresa.
See the Mother Teresa. Whoa, wow, dream team blinging. To see
Let's
the
shine up yourself, okay? I don't know what things set on. Yeah, you see me?
team
Shine up
blinging.
yourself, because I don't know what
Give
things
thanks,
set on.
Kev Lifestyle, yeah.
I thank all moment, you know, man. We are so bad.
Thanks, man.
We are so bad.
Team is
Love,
blessed.
man. We are, man. Amigo, the rope.
Amigo say he want a silver chain with him.
The rope, I will give him a rope.
See, this is for Amigo. Amigo say he want a silver chain with a dictionary and a Bible.
That one is big for him and everybody can take a real
So see the Amigo.
See me?
Amigo, give thanks for Amigo.
Yes. Woo.
Give thanks for Amigo. Blinging.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.